In this video, you will see how to extract monitoring dashboard data from Grafana.com quickly with Minexa.ai's easy scraping tool. I am opening the page that already has the results loaded. From here, just click the extension icon. Nothing else needed. With the panel open, click I'm on the right page so Minexa.ai can analyze the layout for the monitoring dashboard data list. The scan is complete. Results block identified. Nothing missed. Here, choose between the list only or full extraction of each results detail page. Go ahead with Continue Advanced if a form needs filling or a button clicking before results load. Minexa.ai selected and highlighted your data. Hit Create Scraper and it reads the section once and knows what to extract. Every field is here. Pick what you want. This scraper reuses them instantly on similar pages for monitoring dashboard data extraction. If you write code, click API Request. The scraper template replaces per-page LLM calls with direct, deterministic extraction. Hit the button to finalize and save everything. One click and done. Pagination, locked in automatically. Every run collects the full dataset. Last step, push results to Google Sheets or set a recurring schedule, then complete the setup. Hit Run, and the job is off and running. This entire dataset was produced without passing a single full page to an LLM. The trained scraper targets exact positions directly, which is why it is faster and dramatically cheaper at scale. Typical data points include integration names, categories, descriptions, and links, all extracted accurately and structured for easy use. Download the data, open it in Excel, and every field is already in the right column. Whatever data you need from the web, Minexa.ai gets it out in minutes. No code, no maintenance, and for developers, no token costs growing with every page scraped.